Let yourself connect with your breath. Your body, your mind. Lose all the tense from your body. Let yourself connect with this moment, with its nature around. Absorb as much as energy you needed for this practice. Let yourself connect to the body and the mind. Feel your breath. Feel your energy. And find your own space here. No, now sit down. Sit down like this. Face to me. Yeah? Now. Bring your hands in Chin Mudra. And we chant the mantra together. Bring your hands in prayer pose. Take a deep breath in. Together Om. And repeat after me the mantra. Take a deep breath. And repeat after the mantra. Om Shahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Saha Viryam Karuvavahai Tejasvi Navadhitamastu Ma Vidushavahai Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Hari Om Tat Sat. Let's begin with the Surya Namaskara. Come top of your mat. Okay, this side you come. Come top of your mat. Join your both feet together. Bring your hands in prayer pose. Connect yourself. Now inhale, slightly bending the knee. Stretch your arms over your head. Open the chest. Same way. Do it. Surya Namaskar. Now you prepare yourself. Yesterday we did no. Exhale, now fold forward. Slightly bend your knee. Place your palms on the floor. Now inhale your right leg back. Your right knee on the floor. Lift your chest up. Look up. Front knee 90 degree. Now retain another leg back. Body in one line. Okay, bring your left leg to the right leg. Join your both feet together like that. Spread your fingers. Lift your knees. Plank pose. Plank pose. Now exhale, drop your knee, your chest, your chin into the floor. Now inhale, slide up into the Cobra pose, Bhujangasana. To the downward facing dog. Now inhale, lift your right leg up, bring that right leg front of your mat. Left knee on the floor and look up. Yes. Now exhale, another leg front. From there come into the forward fold. Slightly open your feet. Thigh to the chest. Now inhale slowly with rolling your back again. Stretch your arms overhead. And exhale, hands in prayer pose again. Take a deep breath, inhale and exhale. Okay, inhale and exhale, hands in prayer pose. Hands in prayer pose. Now inhale, again stretch your arms. So we had slightly bending the knee. Now exhale, fold forward all the way with slightly bending knee again. Connect your thigh to the chest, let your spine straight. Now inhale, your left leg back. Left knee on the floor. Look up. Now retain the breath. Bring your right foot to your left foot. Come into plank. Look front. Spread your fingers. Align your spine straight. Now exhale. Drop your knee, your chest, your chin into the floor. Now inhale. Slide up into the cobra pose. Slightly. Take it easy. Stretch your ankle. Lift your chest. External rotation of the shoulder. Now exhale from there again. Go into the downward facing dog. Yes. Now inhale, from there lift your left leg up, bring that left leg front of your mat, right knee on the floor, and look up and lift your chest up. Now exhale from there, come into the forward fold again, bring the another leg front, slightly bend your thigh to chest, slightly open, yes. Now inhale slowly with rolling your back, stretch your arms over your head again with slightly bending the knee. Feel the upper spine, slightly bend your knee and exhale, release your hand sideways. Same way we're going to do a few more rounds. Inhale, exhale, hands in prayer pose again. Now inhale, again stretch your arms over your head and arch back. Now exhale, fold forward all the way again. Exhale, fold forward. Concentrate, okay? Do not fluctuate your mind. Now inhale, your right leg back. Your right knee on the floor and look up. Lift your chest. Now bring your, from there, left foot to the right foot. Keeping body in one line. Look front. Now exhale, drop your knee, your chest, your chin into the floor. Now inhale, slide up into the cobra pose. Now exhale, from there go into downward facing dog again. Yes, very nice. Try to align, look front. Expand your chest, slightly bend your elbow, you can feel your spine, okay? Now inhale, lift your right leg up, bring that right leg front of your mat, left knee on the floor, look up, lift your chest up, yes, no, chest only, just hands on the floor, chest, expand your chest. Now exhale, from there bring your left foot to the right foot, keep now, bring thigh to the chest, look front, align your spine. Now inhale slowly with